Hey everyone, Roxy Lebrasse here. Today I'm just doing a short video on tips for songwriting. Lots of my students ask me about where is it, what do you do and how do you get started? Well, the real answer is you just get started. Now, when I first started writing, I was about 16 years old and it wasn't good. Like, you have to actually write all the crap songs before you hit a good one. So you can get all those ideas out of your head and then you start refining them slowly. So yeah, just get started and see what comes out, and just be free with your writing. Don't worry about structure and rhyming and all that kind of stuff. First, just get some ideas down onto paper. Now, the second tip, brush up on your language skills. Now, what I mean is, if you're writing in English, you need to understand how words can be put together properly, interesting ways. I've actually been reading quite a lot, reading poetry, reading stories, and reading articles, seeing how other people put words together in beautiful ways, finding an interesting way to say something to paint a picture. The other one I think is really important is to write from your experiences or write from other people's experiences. You want to either present a situation, present a mood, present an opinion, or tell a story. Now, life experience is always going to be the best thing to draw upon in your own experiences, because you've had that first-hand experience. But not everybody has amazing life experience or a lot of things they can draw from, but the people around you will do. And everyone has a story and everyone has a story to tell. So if you go around and listen to other people's stories and then think about, wow, how must that have felt, and write about that particular situation and emotion, you'll be able to relate to a lot of people who have been in similar situations. And I think that's really important in terms of building a connection to people. Try not to censor yourself. This one is kind of ties in with being creative and being vulnerable. If you don't have anything interesting to say, people won't listen. And the thing is, the way to get the interesting stuff is to tell the truth and try and keep it a little bit uncensored. We tend to fluff a lot about things and make things a little bit more diluted when we say things, but sometimes the interesting stuff is the things that you are scared to tell people. Being open and honest in a song is something that really captures your audience as a songwriter so much. Hopefully this video has helped you a lot in making a start. Happy writing, and if you enjoy the content, please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, see you next time.